Eerie silence, bare hallways, a carefree life now in mayhem, a world once unconstrained. Now desolate, battling these faceless enemies, fatal, unseen entities. Pandemic parallels increased sense of duty for women as homemakers, as daughters, sisters, workers, as leaders. We're all in the same boat, they speak. No, we are not, she answers. Each vessel pulls apart upon this daunting stormy sea, restive and dark. Some stay at home and not go through the other side of the door. Some functioning like they've never functioned before. Like the bamboo amidst a topsy-turvy shrubbery, women bend, gracefully flaunt, ever light dances never broken. Her mind filled with gridlock of plans, learning to swim on these unfamiliar waters, refusing to quit, she unfriended fear, her sense of self unsilenced. Tick, tock, hear this restless sound, an anxious mother caressing her sick child, she empties her heart out. All the care and tears, all the love she has. Tick, tock, hear this restless sound, a daughter seeking refuge in her mother's arms, tears rolling down her puffy cheeks, overwhelmed with a void these unseen nemesis bring. Tick, tock, hear this restless sound, a sister lending her ears to a sibling, crying for help, seeking for answers, while surviving this draining crisis. Tick, tock, hear this restless sound, a wife professing to her loved one who vowed for better or for worse, in sickness, in health, in all the days of her life. Like a baby's first step, though wobbly, still, let us take this unfamiliar road as we journey wherever, like the ants, though tiny, still, let us lift heavy loads as we cross this space together.